Hi guys, welcome to our second video of how to improve your pirouettes. Today we're going to focus on the back leg. So basically, don't forget everything we learned in the video number 1. If you haven't seen that video, you can click up here or you can check the description of this video. I'm going to leave the link for you. But we already talked that the body weight has to be almost all the time in the front leg. However, we are in between because it's a fourth position. Don't forget that. Now, we learned to push up and transfer body weight over the ball of the foot. Well, now we need to know the importance of the back leg. So the back leg is the one that is going to do the push. So you can actually get multiple pirouettes or one pirouette with control. That back leg is the one in charge of doing bang. How we're going to gain that dynamic and that push with this exercise that we're going to learn today. Once again, fifth position, arms on brava. We are going to do 1, 2, 3, and lift your heel again. Your body weight is almost going to be forward, and now you're going to tap, tap, and push. So this is how it's going to look like. Tap, tap, and push up to your passe. We are going to do exactly what we did in the first video. First 4 passe without changing or turning, just here, right? But after we do the push, push up. So we get that dynamic and that muscle memory. We create that sensation of what the movement is meant to be doing or meant to feel. And after we do 4, we are going to add quarter of a turn. Are you ready to do this? Let me tell you the exercise one more time without music, and then we're gonna do it with 5, 6, hold it, 7, 8. 1, together, 2, close, 3, lift, 4, and tap, tap, passe. 7 and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Don't jump like me. Let's say that this one was your last passe. Let's see how the quarter is gonna look like. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, forward 4, and push, push, and up. Don't lose that dynamic of the move. Go back either, okay? Stay forward and just, I want to hear the, yeah? Press, press, and take off to your passe or your quarter of a turn. Let's do it with music. Here we go. Elongated, proud position. Let's go. Let's do it. Two more. Come on, last one. Turns. Up. Awesome. Come on. 3, 4. Last time. And one more, sorry. Awesome. Fifth position. Breathe. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Awesome. Keep growing really tall. Awesome. Last time. Lift up, 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 emperors, up. Turns. Turn. Awesome. Don't jump. Please, not like me. Coordination, forward and tap, tap, up. And up. And tap, tap, turn. Last one. 3, lift. And tap, tap, turn. Subscribe if you are new, give a like to the video, and click the notification bell because next time I upload the third video, you get the direct notification. See you in my next class.